Good morning, my dear students. How are you? All are fine. Okay, very good. Today, we are going to study a beautiful story. Let's start. Look at the story. Once upon a time, there was an old woman. She wanted to eat an apple pie, but she did not have any apples. All she had were plums. She said, there must be someone who has apples but wants to eat plums. I will go to the market and see. She filled a basket with plums and started walking. Soon she came to a farm. A young woman was feeding corn to her hens and geese. The young woman and the old woman began to talk. The old woman told the young woman about the apple pie she wanted to eat. My family loves plum jam, but all I have to give you is a bag of feathers, said the young woman. A bag of feathers will be easier to carry, and I am sure I can get something nice at the market for these pretty feathers, thought the old woman. So they made the trade. The old woman went on. Soon she passed a mother with many children. They were standing in a doorway looking very sad. What is the matter? Asked the old woman kindly. We don't have any bread and we have no money to buy more, answered the mother. Have you understood the story? No. Okay, look here. How is in apple? How is in apple pie? No. Okay. How is in plums? Have you taste that one? Plums. Do you like plums? What is the color of plums? Okay, very good. This story retelling of an English folktale. Okay, this story throws light on the saying where there is a will, there is a way. In a village was living an old woman. In a village was living an old woman. Okay. She wanted to eat an apple pie. One day she was sitting in her home and thinking about apple pie. Never she eat apple pie. She wanted to eat an apple pie. However, she had no apples to prepare it. Had no apple for what? For prepared apple pie. She have no apple at her home. Okay. She was very sad. She was bothered about where did get this one. She is thinking many ways. Okay. Having a tree full of ripe yellow pears and juicy red plums, she decided to exchange them for red apple and goes on a quest to find someone for the same. She was thinking about apple pie. Okay, and she went to market and see this one. She filled a basket with plums and started walking. Where? Go to market. Okay. However, she came to a farm. That time she saw a beautiful farm. That time she saw a young woman. That woman was feeding corn to her hens and geese. Okay, that woman was feeding corn to her hens and geese. The young woman and old woman began to talk about which one? About apple pie. Okay. That time the young woman said to old woman, what is it? My family loves plum jam, but all I have to give you in a bag of feathers. How is in feathers? You know feathers. Look this picture, feather. Okay. In next paragraph tells about the what is it? The peculiarities of this bag feather. Okay. A bag of feathers will be easier to carry. This bag will be easier to carry. It's very easy. Okay. And I'm sure I can get something nice at market for these pretty feathers. That bag was very beautiful and then it's fantastic. Okay. In that time they made the trade. What's the trade? TRAD, trade. What is it? Trade means buying and selling. Okay. After this trade, after this buying and selling, in the old woman went from there. Okay. And soon she passed a mother with many children. That time she faced many children. Okay, mother and many children. Okay. And they were standing in a doorway looking very sad. Who? The mother and children. They are standing in the doorway and looking very sad. They have some problems. What is it? That woman went to mother and asked them, what is it? What is the matter? What is the matter? Asked the old woman kindly, lovely. Okay. That time the mother said to, what is it? We don't have any bread and we have no money to buy more. We want bread for what? For eating, but we have no money, answered the mother. Understood? Okay.